Hello everyone, Medikit 65 here. Welcome back to another episode of Novacraft. Actually I should probably show you this first. Our beautiful mending wings are mega broke. Also, me and Andrew rated oh darn it. What are they called? Mansions, woodland mansions. There's one off in that direction. Also, the sun is setting. But, and, while we were over there, we found some donkeys. Me and Andrew brought some back. We bred them up. Got some donkeys. Donkey. Can access this chest. Oh, nope, that's not how that works. I actually don't know how to access the chest, actually. And now we're stuck in here. Because we don't have wings. Block that back off. So, like I said, our wings are not working. Also, we used some of our gold and the few apples we had to make golden apples. So, it's exciting. So basically, what we're going to need to do is take some emeralds and trade with the villagers to get XP. Because, yes, I completely forgot about the zombie spawner until I started this. Oh, I completely forgot about the zombie spawner. Huh, you know what? Too much work. Well, our dog here. Come on, Diggy. Come over here. You need to have a more stable place in the household. Come. Come here, doggy. There we go. And it's actually getting close to nighttime, so I'm actually gonna skip forward until when night has passed, so you guys don't have to suffer through me painfully trying to think of something to talk about, waiting for night to come. So, yeah. Alright, guys, hello. We bred the cows in that time to help with the passage. Feed the rest of that wheat to that little guy. So he can, wait, oh, we got a bit of XP from that. Let's not waste what little XP we did get. If necessary, Andrew probably has something that we can borrow. I don't think I've actually shown you guys Andrew's base. I'll have to show you guys that. It's pretty cool looking base. What is this? Glistering melons, cookies. Bunch of cool stuff. You. Was that you? Oh no, you guys sell the exact same stuff, don't you? Alright, what about you? I haven't done anything with you. And you, young man? No, not you. The other young man. Ah, yes. Let me buy some of your bookshelves and waste my emeralds. Alright, we don't have bad XP. We do need a lot more, though. Oh, who's this? Oh, it's this gal. Okay. Yeah, Andrew came through here and a bunch of these armor stands, I believe. I know I built the green one. And, over there. And the X, but Andy must have placed the scout, because I didn't place that one. So. We're gonna do the sensible thing and gather up all of the we could just put that there. We're gonna gather up basically anything that we can sell to the villagers, actually. So we can upgrade those librarians. And that will be good, because then we can get more books. We also need to upgrade that, those both farmers to max. Be nice to upgrade those. That's just a bunch of heads in that one. Well, actually, gonna do that. Alright, let's get the seeds out and fill this up with more. Okay. Oh, goodness. Farm ourselves our potatoes. Actually, I don't care whether it's grown or not. Actually, these little tiny ones, I'm not gonna farm on purpose because they're not bolted as the other ones. I thought I dropped something. This will give us a lot of materials that we can sell to the farmers for emeralds. So there we can upgrade the farmers and use our emeralds to upgrade the librarians super easily. So never realized how big this thing was until we're mining the entire thing at once. Yeah, I dropped that. Take that. Oh, now we got stuck. Okay. We'll come back around here in a minute and replant all of this. So alright, that took a lot longer than I thought it would, so I'm just actually going to go back around here off camera and replant. So, and do we have any? Yeah, we have more carrots. Right. Let's trade all. Oh, we don't have any more of that. Let's trade that. Does anyone take potatoes in this here joint? Potatoes? Potatoes. Nope, no potatoes. Okay. I wish one of them sold potatoes. Would be a bit helpful. It's for you. We should. No, we could level him up. Probably. 41 emeralds. Wow. Oh, I know. I have an idea. Because that one buys paper. And we have a lot of sugarcane. So, we're going to do a quick time lapse of us cutting down all this sugarcane. And we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We got just over 3 stacks of sugarcane. Just wasted a bunch of XP right there. Some bone meal. Alright, let's go down here. How are the chickens doing? Good, good, good. Alright, we're gonna refill the chicken thing in a second. Alright, so we don't have any more sugarcane other than that, so I actually want to fill this to the point that if a chicken is to like if I'm to lay another egg that has a chicken in it in this thing, then they will instantly suffocate from suffocation damage. Go. No, 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 no. Don't. Okay, they ran away. Alright. And once they do, any eggs that they lay, go in. Then any eggs that they lay can be immediately used to make cake, because cake is yummy. This is not taking near as long as I thought it would. So that's good. Alright. As for you pesky chickens. Hey! Hey! Come back! Heartless, I know. Gotta do what you gotta do to survive. Oh, and it's nighttime. Alright, actually, there's probably something in here. No, not in there. Nah, probably, I don't think so. Alright, melons. Bunch of stuff. Paper. Paper is what we need, so. It won't be long before all that regrows, so. It's actually, sugarcane is one of the easier plants to grow. Good. Good stuff. We're gonna breed up those cows so we can get, oh, I just wasted more of that. And boom. You have no idea how inaccurate bows are underwater. Like, if the skeleton's in the water to save its life and you're in the water as well, there's even more sugarcane than I thought there was. I did not even pick up all of it. Alright, let's convert the rest of that to paper as much as possible. Alright, where is the master? Ah, yes, you're the one. This is the only one that'll buy paper from you, so. That was perfect. Absolutely perfect. I don't think we have any books. Oh, are you upgrading? Oh, no, you are. Oh. Thank you for the XP, sir. Oh, you're a master. Ooh, you sell name tags. Nice. Oh, we just use more Elytra. That's great. Oh. And boom. Oh, wrong button. That is a 0 XP right there. I would have thought the squid would have had a little bit more XP, but look at our Elytra. It's halfway repaired now, so that's really good. I think now we can actually kind of use that. We should have books that we can use. Yes, we do. You know, I would find it. Hey, oh, I thought it was like about to come over. I think it would be cool if like the librarians could buy like enchanted books from you. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, it's a kitty cat. Hello, kitty cat. Where are the iron golems? I saw the iron golems a minute ago. Oh, there they are. I'll get you, golem. I'm gonna get me some golems. Alright, we're gonna take that. We'll take it again. Good. But you didn't upgrade. What the heck is wrong with you? It's for you. Okay, you upgrade quite a bit for just lanterns. Alright, we got a bunch of stuff now that we don't really need, but the Elytra is almost repaired. So we're going to do our final little thing. Well, almost, not almost repaired, but like halfway repaired. We're going to do a little thing. Cruel, I know, but really good source of XP. It also helps that I am freakishly good with the bow. Please don't be able to come up. Please don't be able to come up. Please be dumb. We got it. We got it, guys. Alright, it dropped some iron. Good, good, good. And look at our Elytra. Actually, so now we're just gonna go... Oh, glitchy. Laggy. Glitchy. We'll just go back to the base. And, drop all this stuff off. Oh, I fell. And I'm really hungry now. Take that. I'll take those for food. Actually, I'll take that one for food as well. Put all of those. Actually, no, those two can come with us. Yeah. Eat some melon slices. Open! Open the chest! Come on! Oh, there we go. Since I haven't actually showed you guys Andy's base yet, I think we'll go do that. Ah, you need to mine too, don't you? On our Mount of Glory, the donkey. Oh, okay. It won't climb up. There we go. Alright, so Andy's base isn't really that far from ours. Oh, I just don't want to fall in the water. Oh, and we fell. Oh. Okay, donkey maneuvering is a bit harder, but it saves all of my hunger bars, so that's a bonus. His base is just over that mountain, since he made this path to the iron farm, which turned out to be a nothing farm because he messed up. You messed up, Andy. This thing. This tree is getting in the way of us in Andy base. Here it is. No. Oh, okay. I think he blocked all this off pretty well. Oh, I don't want to fall in that, so. Oh, and I did. That looks like an opening right there. No. Sorry. Sorry, Andy. He has some villagers going on in there. A lot of heads. Just over there. Oh, and like a little trash can over there. He's got quite the farm. We might actually raid this now. I'm gonna leave him the donkey. He can. It doesn't. I have 3 more at the base, so. I'm actually gonna keep the bamboo though. Actually, you know, I'm just gonna put that in there for him. Since it'll regrow, it's not like stealing. We're borrowing some of his pumpkins. Just a couple. Oh, I accidentally carved that one. Oops. Oh, did he carve those on purpose? He probably carved some of them on purpose. I want to leave him those. Just gonna farm these melons. That one is, yeah, it has to be. Alright, good. We got a solid light source. Alright, he actually has some of his traders over here. What do you trade, good sir? You don't trade anything useful to us currently. And neither do you. Now we have to go home without dying. I am, this is fun. Just playing on the server. It's been really fun. And we're going to continue playing on this server for a long time soon. Well, maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided. We'll probably keep playing on the server, but I'm getting kind of burned out over YouTube right now. So, we're going to take a small break, like a week. We'll be back definitely by next Monday or Tuesday. So, yeah, we're not taking like a super month-long break. We're just taking a week to help me get my bearings again and get more inspiration for YouTube. So, I hope to see you all then. And until next time, Medikit, over and out.